Goal seeking is part of the what if tools found in Excel. You would use goal seeking if you want to figure out what your input values need to be. So you already know your goal, you already know what the results should be, you just need to figure out what the values have to be in order to get to that result, to get to that goal. So for example, if you wanted to save $50,000 over the next 10 years, you could create a scenario to figure out how much money you would need to save each month in order to make that $50,000 goal. Another example, let's say you own a bakery. You need to make $5,000 in sales this month. Each of your pastries are 80 cents each. So how many pastries do you need to sell to make that monthly goal? This sounds a lot like that old word problem that you would have in elementary school. But what's great about Excel is you don't have to figure it out by hand. You can have Excel do it for you. So from your Advanced Excel worksheet, we're going to go down and click on Goal Seeking 1. This is the sheet that we're going to be working from to learn how to use Goal Seek. So we know that the price per pastry is 80 cents. So I'm going to type 80 cents in cell B1. And we already know that the price times number of pastries is going to get my sales total. So what we need to do is type a formula in B3 equals B1, my price per pastry, times B2, my number of pastries, and hit enter on my keyboard. So right now my sales total is 0. I've sold no pastries. But remember, I want to figure out how many pastries I need to sell in order to make that $5,000 monthly goal. So I'm going to actually use the Goal Seek tool. First, we have to be on the data ribbon, so make sure you click on the data ribbon. And then we're going to click What If Analysis. The What If Analysis command is found here on the Data Tools ribbon and the Data Tools group. Click What If, and there's Goal Seek. Click on Goal Seek. In the Set Cell Value, we're going to make sure we type in B3. This is the cell that contains the formula that we just created. In the To Value, we're going to type the result that we want. So remember, we want the result of $5,000. So we're going to type 5, 1, 2, 3. This is our monthly goal. By changing cell B2. Cell B2 is a number of pastries. This is what we're trying to figure out what the number should be. So how many pastries do I need to sell in order to meet that goal of 5,000? I'm going to click OK. So Goal Seeking with cell B3 found a solution. The target value is 5,000 and the current value is 5,000. That means that Excel was able to find a solution to your problem. Click OK. And up here at the top, we can now see that I need to sell 6,250 pastries in order to meet my $5,000 sales goal. Now this goal seeking only works for one variable. We were only finding the variable of how many pastries I needed to sell. There are other tools in Excel if you have more than one variable that you need to determine.